Today's lecture 4 of Basic Electronics is about properties of negative feedback. Welcome to our channel Class Like Community. So today we will be doing the properties, or you can say the advantages of the negative feedback. So in the next lecture you will see about the gain stability. So here also I am discussing about this one also. See, the first thing is that whenever we apply negative feedback we get gain desensitivity. That means we know the formula that AF is equal to A by 1 plus A beta, right? So AF is your closed loop gain, or you can say gain with feedback, and A is your open loop gain or gain without feedback. That means here there will be no feedback and here there will be feedback. So this A is this one and this AF is this one, okay? And beta is your feedback factor. So if we assume that this beta is your constant, then when we differentiate this formula with A, we get dAF by dA, and you know that du by v means v square, v differentiation of u minus u d of v, right? So this, if this is a v and this is our u, so 1 plus ba square, that means v square. So 1 plus ba, and differentiation of a is 1 minus now differentiation of this 1 plus beta a, that means we will get beta and a is left over. So at last when we solve this portion we get 1 plus beta a minus beta a, so this both get cut and we are left over with 1 by 1 plus beta a. Now we will, what we will do, we will take this dA to this side, okay? So now we will divide this equation with this equation. So what happens? So when we divide, so if I divide with, that means 1 plus beta a by 1 it will happen. So 1, this will get cut, 1 1. So we are left over with what now? dAF by AF is equal to dA by a 1 plus beta a, okay? So now dAF by AF is your fractional change in gain with feedback. That means fractional change in closed loop gain, you can say. That means where there will be feedback, whereas your dA by A will be the fractional change in gain without feedback. That means there will be no feedback here. So you can simply say that change in closed loop configuration is less than the change in open loop configuration. See, what we had got, dAF by dA is equal to, sorry, dAF by AF is equal to dA into 1 by 1 plus A beta, right? So if I assume this as y and this as x, that means this is our what? This is our closed loop, right? So as my y is in the multiplication, as I told that as my y is, will be like this with 1 by 1 plus A beta, right? So when I take this 1 plus A beta this side, what happens? My y becomes greater. That means my open loop becomes greater and my closed loop becomes less, right? So it becomes y by x into 1 plus AB. So my y is my open loop. So that's only said that change in closed loop configuration, that means dF by AF is less than the change in open loop configuration. So if I take this dA by A this side, I get my sensitivity is equal to 1 by 1 plus BA, and my reciprocal of my sensitivity is my desensitivity. So we can clearly understand that the stability of the amplifier will increase with increase in desensitivity. So whenever we apply the negative feedback, there is a gain in desensitivity. Now if we apply A beta is greater than 1, then what happens? This A beta will become A beta. So A by A gets cut and we are left over by 1 by beta. So now your this closed loop gain will only depend on what? Your feedback factor. So you can say gain is dependent only on the feedback network. That means your gain will now depend on the feedback network. That means components like aging and temperature will have no effect, will not affect the stability. That means the stability will not get affected due to the aging or temperature, because the gain is only depending on this feedback, okay? The next property is your bandwidth improvement. We know that our gain is only dependent in the feedback factor, so it will not depend on our what signal frequency. That means thus this improves the frequency response of an amplifier. That means whenever we will apply the feedback the negative feedback, we will have a increase in our bandwidth due to 1 plus A beta. So by applying negative feedback, this bandwidth will get increased due to this factor 1 plus A beta. Now the third is your reduction in noise. There is always reduction in noise whenever we apply negative feedback, and amplifier also amplifies the noise. So to decrease this noise, we apply the negative feedback, and the noise happens due to the active and the passive component. So active components are like the transistors. Okay, now see, whenever we apply the negative feedback, it will improve the SNR of an amplifier. So mathematically you can say NF is equal to N by 1 plus BA. So this NF is what? NF is what? Is a reduction in noise. So by applying this negative factor, we have a decrease in noise due to the factor 1 plus BA. If this is a noise, when we are applying this feedback, so it will decrease by 1 plus A beta. Okay. The fourth point is that the reduction in non-linear distortion. Non-linear distortion happens when there is an active device like transistor in the amplifier which will have an non-linear transfer characteristic. Okay, whenever we apply the negative feedback, it will reduce this non-linear distortion by the factor 1 plus A beta. So you can also mathematically say like this, that this linear distortion will be decreasing by this factor 1 plus A beta. So I hope you understood the properties or the advantages of the negative feedback. So today's lecture ends here. See you all in the next. Till then, be happy and have a great day. Now's the quote time. You always gain by giving love. I hope all of you understood the lecture of today, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.